Alright, I am Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I am going to showcase the Singer Model 201-2. This is the highly sought after machine with a potted motor. Potted motor meaning that the motor directly drives the machine. There's no belt involved. This model was made in 1957, which puts it at 54 years, January 1957. Freshly turned 54. Has a little bit of a different pattern on it than normal. Of course, it's got the built-in light. Your stitch length and your reverse is here on the lever, and it does have feed dog drop underneath. It's very, very nice cosmetically. Lots of shine, no cracking, peeling, flaking, or anything of the clear coat as usual. There is one little paint ding right there. Other than that, it's very, very nice. This one does have the adapter attached right to the end. Normally this adapter is in the cabinet and it's spring-loaded, but this one is attached to the machine, so I've left it on there. Tabletop ready, just serviced, or you can put it in a cabinet or carrying case. It comes with the original box of goodies, including pretty much anything you could want. It comes with a pack of needles in size 18. It comes with 3 vintage metal bobbins and 3 brand new plastic, whichever works best for you at the time. It comes with a complete Singer automatic zigzagger with its own manual and a bunch of cams. And it also comes with a buttonholer in green case and original instruction manual with some little inserts on how to use your attachments. So this puppy is loaded. Now, I do want to point out that I've worked with this machine all day. I'm having trouble with it skipping stitches, and we've looked at every aspect of this machine. It wouldn't sew through leather or denim. So we worked and worked and worked with it, and I finally resorted to putting in a size 18 needle, brand new Singer size 18 needle, and it sews perfectly through those heavier fabrics. So all I can come to, the decision I've come to is this machine's just going to be really picky on what needle you use. If you're doing a light fabric, you need a light needle. If you're doing a heavy fabric, you need a heavier needle, a larger needle. And it should be fine. I've done that, and it works fine by doing that. So I have the 18 needle in it right now. And this is 16 layers of fabric, and I've already like sewn with it, but I'm going to go through it again, and you can hear it's a very, very thick piece of fabric. When I sew with it, you can hear it. It's a true reverse speed machine, not just for tacking. And as you can see, not skipping any stitches using the 18 needle. Just broke that one. Yeah, it'll be because my bobbin ran out of thread. That's nice. So let's get it re-threaded and get a bobbin in it. Guess I should have checked that before I started the video. So this is a size 18 Singer needle. You get 2 other brand new ones with this machine. You will have to buy your smaller ones. Let's see. Got another white one right here. And I'm using vintage metal bobbins. The new metal bobbins do have a protruding center ring that might bind up your bobbin case, so I suggest not using them. Alright. New bobbin ready to go. Now, since I've still got the larger needle in, I'm going to do the denim. This is 6 layers of Levi's. Still in reverse. Every stitch perfect on that one. Now, this is 3 layers of suede and leather mix. Still with the 18 needle. I see why now my thread's crisscrossed. Ha-ha. My thread crisscrossed at the top. It's my fault. Alright. Forward and reverse bead on leather and suede. Perfect stitch. Now I'm going to go down to a little bit more delicate of a fabric, and I'm going to take out the 18 needle, and we're going to go down to a 14. And that's what you're going to need to do with this machine. You need to adjust your needle size to your fabric, and you should be fine. And this one, of course, the needle inserts flat side to the left. It is backwards compared to most other machines. It threads right to left, which is also backwards compared to most other machines. Alright. Size 14. 2 layers of fabric. Change needle, dialed in my tension, and away she went. And that is the Classic Straight Stitch Singer Model 2012 with potted motor and lots of goodies.